It's the beginning of November, so it's time for another roundup of the best credit cards for cashback, travel, building credit, and more. The Amex Preferred Rewards Gold credit card is our reigning champ for rewards cards, with a limited time offer of 30,000 bonus points when you sign up and spend $3,000 in your first 3 months. This offer does end on the 8th of November 2022. An ongoing earn rate of 1 point for every £1 spent, 2 complimentary airport lounge visits, and loads of extra perks to unlock in the app. There is no account fee for the first year, after which you'll pay an annual fee of 160 quid. Potentially a downside if you are looking for a card with no fees. It's also worth considering that not all places and retailers take Amex, but that is definitely changing. To shake things up a bit, we've gone for a no-fee balance transfer card for November's top pick. The Santander Everyday No Balance Transfer Fee credit card offers 0% interest on balances for 21 months with no fee, which is currently the longest no-fee balance transfer deal that doesn't require you to be an existing customer. Downsides include the fact that there are longer interest-free deals out there, but these will typically come with a transfer fee or, as mentioned, require you to be an existing customer. And the fact that applicants with low credit scores are unlikely to be accepted. The M&S Bank Shopping Plus credit card remains our top 0% purchase card for the second month running, with 0% interest on purchases for up to 24 months and the ability to collect M&S points every time you use your card, and all with no account fee. To be eligible for this card, you can't have had an M&S credit card in the last 12 months, and you will definitely get more out of this card if you regularly shop at M&S. You just can't seem to beat the Amex Platinum Cashback Everyday credit card for cashback rewards. This card offers 5% cashback on eligible purchases up to £100 total cashback for your first 3 months, and an ongoing earn rate of 0.5% cashback on spending less than £10,000, 1% on spending over £10,000. There is no account fee to use this card, but be aware that you need to spend a minimum of £3,000 each year to qualify for the cashback offer. And if you don't pay off your card in full each month, you could end up paying more in interest than you would earn in cashback. Barclaycard Rewards Visa remains our top pick for travel cards, with no fees on spending and cash withdrawals abroad. Plus, you can also earn 0.25% cashback on most spending. The account is free to use, but the qualifying criteria are quite strict. You need to be 21 or older, have a minimum 4 years credit history, and earn over £21,000 per year to be eligible. You can also only hold one Barclaycard at a time, so if you already have an account, you won't be able to get this card. The Tesco Foundation credit card is our new top pick for credit builder credit cards in November. This card accepts people with no or bad credit history and, depending on your circumstances, may offer regular credit limit increases. With this card, you can also keep track of your credit score for free via Tesco Bank's online credit view service and collect Tesco Club Card points when you spend. This card has no account fee but does come with higher interest rates, as is typical for most credit builder cards. Other downsides include the low starting credit limits and the 3.99% fee for cash advance transactions, like withdrawing cash, which includes gambling transactions. It's worth saying that even though you can earn club card points on this card, do be mindful that you don't start racking up additional debt chasing these rewards. Every month we'll be bringing out a new video with our credit card top picks for that month. So be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to be the first to know when that video drops. For more information on the best credit cards and to compare your options, head to finder.com by clicking this link up here. Until next time, thanks for watching.